everyone, hope all is well. So today video is coming from MUMZELL, and MUMZELL in fact is answering back to Foota Hype just like I thought she would, and this is what she has to say to Foota Hype. But what MUMZELL should do is while she's answering it, whatever new song she has, she need to release it in the heat of this.
When are you going to join Foota live and talk? Listen to me, people. Me for join Foota Hype live, Foota Hype blocked me. Foota Hype blocked me. I'm going to clear the ear again. And at the last time I'm going to clear this ear. Who the ear so? And who don't the ear so? And who want screen record? And who don't want to screen record? Oh, let me stop. When I ask me why I never do my live in my house yet, I always tell them my cousin is a teacher, my auntie is a nurse. So, I'm now going to go hyperactive and laugh out. I'm going to play no Only1Empo music. Use your next page to please who. Alright, before I go in that, I want to use my next page. Listen, me never block nobody. Me no need for please nobody. I have a Smooches Closet page. That's my business page. Me not beg nobody for follow it. I mean I go follow it up with no mix up on my page. I clear the ear. I never disrespect Foota Hype. I never disrespect Flex. I might say one or two lines where we may offend Foota Hype and we may offend Flex. You understand? I may say some line where me offended them, but I was joking and laughing about the situation. The only person I went for was the whore that called up my name. She stressed me. She stressed me out about 4 to 5 months straight. So you see, if me take the live 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, or 5 time, or 6 time, I'm supposed to, because she did that to me. She stressed me out. She had my name in her mouth when I did not have her name in my mouth. When me come pa my live, I'm a mess around and I do have fun on my live. I'm a laugh, I'm gonna make everybody talk shit to me and I talk shit to them. Today, to be honest, me dey asleep. Me dey asleep because the whole cold annoy me. And I love make money and I can't get for make no money. I can't even get for do make ear people. No, I no matter say me I explain myself, you know. Me just clear the ear because I'm sick and tired of everybody. When me get live and say me I go over there and jump on my Smooches Closet page, him live did end. Me hear say him did call me up on the live. Okay. Foota Hype when you see me Sunday. No, him say I got done me. Chancey, can I stay on my live tonight, please, baby? Yes. When him say I got done me, him not ready for done me yet. Foota Hype, y'all try drag down people. Y'all start talk some unnecessary things. We talking about the process that's happening right now. Foota Hype, you can go and say anything about me. Say I am a beggarella. That's tax and tear. You wanna call me a whore? Me get it left, right, and center. If you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 man will fuck me, me are no saint, but me not fuck 2 best friends. Okay? You want to call me sad, alright? You never catch a girl on top of me. What else me fi say? Foota Hype, you don't know nothing about me. I can't take the makeup story and the drag down. In the whole conversation, you never hear me this Foota Hype, you never hear me this Flex, you never hear me this the next man in the picture with the girl. I only this up the girl. I am so tired of this topic, to be honest. I am tired of it. But every day is a new story. All you need to do is take your wrong. All you have to do is take your life and say whatever you want to say about me. You don't have to wait for me come on for your life. Or you don't have to wait for come on for my life. Because be honest, I say something already and I not take back what I said. I tell everybody for so many years when I depend on this hurt, I walk the hurt and know myself and I hustle. I've been hustling on my own. Yeah, maybe a 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 man bust me upon a thing, give me a thing, but I'm always doing me. I always at work, I always I do something for myself. You understand? If anybody know me, they know say I always at work, I always I do something for myself. But I'm sick and tired of all of them drag down here. Me never tried drag you down Foota Hype. I laughed about the situation. Whatever I said about you, as the whole world already know. Me never disrespect you. I clear the ear and me even say you're my friend. But you block me, so I realize that we's not friends. You say you will never talk to me over your life? Fine. I'm cool with that. But when the orange girl did that trouble me never hear nobody tell her to leave me alone. Me never hear nobody say nothing to her. So when me want done her, me have all rights. Because anyone who with the ears upon this life today, if somebody have a name on pink wall, somebody a text long on the phone, somebody a bother on day in, day out, in and out, do the same thing that I done. On sick and tired of people. You understand? On sick and tired of people. Me sick and tired of people, because me not like mix up. I never hear enough time I see girl and girl a war, man a war. Means more for sit down and say, yo, done this shit, fix this shit. But you say you want to call me out, you don't have to call me out, because I'm not going to come on your life. Me not have nothing for proof to nobody. Who wants say MUMZELL. Who don't want say MUMZELL? Nah, do nothing for me. It not doing anything in life for me. Because when me broke and me hungry, on the same one where rob me, nah give me nothing. Only not giving me nothing. When me broke, I 2 things me do. Go in that street, they go hustle like a G. I'm a come for my life. I'm a talk the good things them. I'm a people them there for my life. A festival and have fun. So if the things say, me I go follow up this Foota Hype, something were calling me out or whatever, and make a sad mistake. Me not have time for it. If Foota Hype want come and clear the ear for something what me say wrong, I may say something wrong, me can fix what me say wrong. It's a reason why I say it. You understand? Is a reason why I say it. Anyone who know in the situation, only that feel upset about the situation. Me not have nothing to prove to nobody. Nothing at all. Me get enough basket over my head so me carry it. And guess what? I'm hold it. But me tell you, in 2021, if you slap me, I go slap your back. As long as me have breath in my body. So, me not in this whole back and forth, back and forth. Own up to your bullshit what you do. Own up to your bullshit what you do. You think I'm here for come to? You forgot to the war? What cause it in this whole drama? Not me. Not me. Me only rub this war because she take a set for me. Me not trouble nobody when not trouble me. Me not take up nobody responsibility for my head. You keep on say me a defend flex. Oh, me a defend flex or flex a send me out. Where did I say? Agree to what you do? Me's a friend. At the time I was a friend Foota Hype and I wasn't going to agree to what you did. Me never agree because I see you go through drama and you drag Aisha name in a whole heap of things. And me say it only fear what goes around comes back around. Say if it come back around for me get it and me no say me wrong, me I go take it like a G and no say me wrong. You understand? Me not have this energy for where you no want or for try to prove nothing to nobody in this world. Me can talk about things, but when you come and I talk about say you're ready for done me, then take the live no lie. Take the mic and take the live one time and done me. Take the live and the mic and done me. What is supposed to deal with right now? Even if it's me and the child any good, anything, only should I sit down and take the time out and I deal with the kids. Not me. Not me. If you want to take the live and rub me out, cause guess what happened? I will have people over here, so I will have people on your platform, I will have people on other platform that want something to do with me. I want a file about me. Give it to them. Give it to them. You know if you stress me out and I call out my name, which you can't stress me out. But I'm just saying. But you're not supposed to bother with me and I say, oh, me get tonight. Listen how I get tonight again. Let me explain how me get tonight. The bitch. Say if it was a Foota Hype and it was a Flex Pitney and it would have been John Tom and Kennedy Tom, me that class up the girl see me. The girl are the one who draw me out. You understand? She draw my name to the mud. I know why I hold it at the time. One of her baby father them tell me for hold it and leave it alone. So I did leave it alone. Yeah, that's all me simple say. You and the Gia friend, you should have said to him, because if you say the baby mother never want to tell him because she afraid of the drama on the Instagram, then why when she go up a lava live, me not hear nobody attack to her? She go up a lava live, you know. She go up a lava live. And she, me, been a call, come just like how she used to come over on my page before she blocked me from everything. She used to come over on my page and talk mad shit. I said the friend workless her baby father, this are my man, that, according to she. So why is it that nobody never tell her why she go take live? Me call you 3-4 days. I don't know, all of a frightened one day gone on the live. Me don't know what me do wrong. Because if I never me do it, somebody else would have do it. And the only reason why me take it on for do what me do was the fact that she draw me out your class. Me remember who did on the live, who did see the live. When she say, I come with my receipt them. Because she say she never did text me or nothing. But yet still, me have message with she in my phone where you text my phone. What a dumb people are you? Listen to me. I know me if I fix things with Foota hype. I know me if you want class me, you class me. And if I feel like say you class me, I feel like I want to come back, come rub you, then me will rub you. If you say we are friends, listen people. I'm saying nah, nothing to do with me. You see, me have receipt. I see on the 17th of January, I send the man the picture. Obviously a wrong number, I send it to I am old number, I never know same stop use the number. You understand? I see him the Sunday night, I say it to him. You know, could I say to me, say, Mama, anything what you say, just not call up my name too much. Foota hype, you run joke with me enough time. You say good or you say bad about me. You big me up left, you big me up right, you big me up center. When you run a joke, you did have it in your mouth, say me and Flex a fuck too. So I say, out of my mouth, say if me and Flex a fuck, me and you a fuck too. I simple say, what else you want me to do? What you want me to prove now? What me not have nothing to prove to nobody, you know. But I'm tired of this back and forth. So because you in your drama, where you, Flex, where Foota hype, Flex, and the wicked, dirty, drunk, or nasty, terrible, evil, drunk, or dead, dog, shitty house girl, need for go fix. Right? We need for fix. You go try drag down people and I talk about some 1 years ago, million story ago, and I draw down people and I drag element down on people. No, that not right. That cannot be, friend. Me never thief the picture. You go talk about say me shouldn't put up the picture on social media. Okay. When Foota hype, when me I send the picture go give Flex, Flex don't say him tag you in the picture and you repost it. So as a friend, when you did repost the picture Foota hype, when you did repost the picture, you know, should I say to your friend say, yo my G, you know say me want me and you need to talk about certain things, you repost it and you never did care about it. What you mean? What you mean me shouldn't bring the media in it? So when the girl have me up on Instagram and pink wash, she never bring me in the media. She me bring in the media. It only happened that it is Flex and Foota hype. And to everybody say me and them a friend. And me they think me and them a friend. So when she do me that now, oh me never hear nobody tell her to stop. Oh, me never hear nobody tell her for done. A day in and day out and day in. And she make me stop go Instagram. Till one day, I say, alright, this must dead out. And I start go back Instagram when the whole COVID come out. Oh, you mean me start it? When me start? I start something because a girl have my name in her mouth. So me ask you something now. Me don't know none of on the live. Me just go call out. Maybe me have 1 or 2 people I know them by name and face. And some of them me don't know by name and face. Me just know they can always come over for my life. Right? Suppose me did say, I'm a draw a name. Suppose me did that here so. And okay, see one ya, Nika. So me did say me did a class up Nick Saisha my cousin. Suppose me did a class up Saisha and I rub out Saisha have her up on internet and I say she a fuck that money and she a fuck that money and she a war and she a go call up my name and Saisha call up my name me a call up Saisha name so Saisha fuck 2 man and Saisha a friend the man was the man wife, and Saisha fuck the man, and Saisha the other man yard, and Saisha this and Saisha that. Suppose me to do that to Saisha. Suppose me to What did I say about the kid? When you keep you know, so now move like a dumb person now. What did I say about the kid? Did I disrespect the kid at any means possible? I did not talk about the kid, period. I only said Flex get the biggest jacket suit. No, princess, if me come and start class you up, princess. You say me if you use your name. If me come and class you up and me talk the worst about you, me have you pan pink wall. And you see a big drama drop down for me, say me have 2 baby father. What you would do? You would do the same thing what me do? No man, because una make it look like say me teeth out the picture, me post him up on my Instagram or me post him up in my story. Me only turn it and show the live and say, tell me now, Flex I get the biggest jacket suit and it's a cut to fit. Did I talk bad about the kid? What is wrong with you guys? Me never say nothing bad about the pitney. So me don't know why una come and talk about some draw pitney in it. And on me. Because it did stink all over the place. And Nika, if you can remember, me and you used to dip on the phone. Me and you used to dip on the phone. Me have a difference right now. I will say we part. Because me no care. Once me say something, me don't care. If you can remember, any girl will class me, I go for the whole of them. Anybody will class me, I go for them. Me never say nothing bad about the pitney. Me turn the picture, me show them. Just like me turn the bitch in it. If she get a picture with me, she'd have rub me out. When I go and say Foota Hype is a victim. How much things Foota Hype say about people? How much things other people say about people? So I wanna try, say I wanna try, do not make no sense to me. Okay, you would want nobody post your kid. Okay, Nika, fine. When the 2 father them post the kid and repost in a story, what if a different media they catch it and do it? It would have been okay, right? But because it's me do it, it's not okay. So knowing that this girl class me and rub me to the ground, have me up on pink wall, me for be okay with it? Me have so much messaging on my phone, me for be okay with it? So Uno can run with everything and then crucify me? Me no Jesus Christ. Me no Jesus Christ. Me no Jesus Christ. Him and the father they to the picture one place. The 2 of them take a picture. Me never take the picture dirty. The picture wasn't dirty. The picture was very clean. Very, very clean. And I said, no man, this is Flex baby. And then I look back on the picture and I said, no man, the picture you dead stamp for Foota Hype. They're twins. I'm going to send the picture go Foota Hype on the 17th of January. When Foota Hype see me, I told him out of my mouth. And he was listening. And I said to him, Foota Hype, me go rub out your girl because that girl had done me. And Foota Hype never said anything to me. He asked me, his exact word was, what should do? I'm going to start telling him. And me did I say, same time I say team and me I love. I say, oh, that's why you and her, and that's why you used to come and say me and the man there. So if me and the man there, me and you there. Where you say, Nika? Foota Hype and him son is not you posted because it was already published. So why this whole drama? Why Foota Hype keep on call my name? You said that you blocked me. No, not said. You blocked me because when me go over for check your live, Foota Hype, you blocked me. You blocked me. I use my Smoochie's closet page and I get to a last part, right? And you say me can't breathe and you say all these things and don't me take it. Me take it coming on a pitney for you. But nobody in the world can ever say I disrespect their child. No care how me and them are cause. Me never once disrespect nobody pitney yet. So wanna come like say, uno want come try say me wrong. Me not wrong. And as me tell everybody, I was talking about liberation the other day. Once you know so, you feel like deep down in your gut say, you want to set certain things free. I have up that girl in my heart, I want to set it free. I'm talk about what I talk about, I'm a rub her out, I'm done. She go months per months with me, I mean just go 3 to 4 or 5 days. She got months per months. Let me tell you, if me ever tell you the real drama to this, only would even have nothing more to say. If me tell you the real drama to this, only wouldn't have nothing to say right here. Only that shut up on the mouth and seal it. Only that shut up on the mouth and seal it. To all this girl take a set palm and put the girl name in a police station. Because the girl met the man wife put me and him name in a police station. So me know deep down say if the girl come, me I go come back for her. You know what the police them say? The only thing me could have do is put out a warrant. Something me that could put out for her. Cause the girl give me sleepless night. Text. Call. And no matter say me I explain, you know. Because people, the main problem and the main fact is that some people who don't know the whole situation keep saying I'm wrong to put the child in it, and I did not talk about the child. Just like when people with a child screen record me, I'm sure anybody could have screen record that video too. Or that month when the two father them, when one father post it and one father repost it. I never me put it in the media. I eat them put it in the media. The minute them take the picture, I never tell the father or the next father never. Me not really care. Me not really understand because me no business. Me no business about the two papa them. Me not care about them. Me not explain because me not want nobody no apology. But you see, to the people them that respect me right now on this live or out there and will listen to a live show, whosoever want screen record it, more and them understand that I did not disrespect the child. I never me put the child in it. So only just apart from my nice, clean, petite body, please. For the local chink them, what try very much. Only want hear my 5 foot of hype say him I got done, my son run go over him live and make him rub me out. Cause me not have no shame in my book. So if you don't know me, you know say me not have no shame in my book. I've been through too much. I've been through too much to keep going with this back and forth. People, you see, if I did 2 different man breeder, it just so happened to is 2 friends. When we did have at a friend, have as a friend, it happened to. It just so happened that it is it. But if it wasn't them 2 man there, and it was a different man and me hear about it, me that rub the girl to how the girl rub me. If you don't hear how the girl deal with my situation, the girl call me name up to the man wife. The man wife have me name left, right and center, Jamaica all over. The man name have my wife have my name in a police station for what me not do, what me not know about. When me never eat, when me never sleep, and me never eat her yard yet, and me never sleep her yard yet. Me never once do that in my own entire life. The only thing we do, we go and we check them, I will sit down, I will smoke, I will drink, I will go about my business. Something with them do me. I don't come like so. You know, you see? Me now go put this now further, you know. Let me ask you something. How much people foota hype ever put in the public? Only never say foota hype talk about any man's kids yet in the public. And that's the way I'm do talk about them. I did not talk. I just turn and show a picture. Me no business who him breed pan or who him don't breed pan. Me just clear the ear. Me no business about foota hype and me don't business about flex. Me hear him keep on say, foota flex I tell me things. Flex, you know my brother. Yeah, my brother from a different mother, meaning say me rate you. Foota hype, me did rate you until you blocked me. Me did rate you until you blocked me. Evidence me keep. I when enough people I tell me say, foota chat too much. Me say foota my selector. So you see the minute you block me, me not have nothing more to say to you. Me not have nothing more. You see, even if him they come so now and go him live the day and say, Mumzell, what you have to do with this? And like me never say to him this Sunday. You see if him they do that and call me in him life and explain myself and whatever. No, him never do that. Him block me. Him block me. If him want to have me up long time, now have nothing to do with me. It don't have nothing at all to do with me. If him want to take the live and get a mic same time and rub me give him the permission. Me give him the permission. Cause Foota Hype I never wear 130 pound yet. I wouldn't mind if you rub me to the 2 way. I could have put on weight and reach 130. I wouldn't mind you rub me so I can put on weight for reach 130. So me not understand where this whole bagger take your blame, work with it, fix the situation. Where all of a sudden you start drag down people. Me not drag you down. Me not have no time for drag down nobody. I elevate me depend. I elevate me depend. I want to go on the highest level right now. You understand? The highest level I want to go on right now. Him say me never check on him. Me not have a number for call for him. Me go to Movado for him. And me go to Frost for him. And Flex and me link up. Because when we talk about it, and we say, no man, this door safe, this door right. What have to try to do something? Me that Florida stress out and broke. When me do send for money from Jamaica. When me gonna think say me come back and forth and then New York from the other day whole heap. When me that Florida, the people in Florida mix up, them twist up, them lie, them bagger, them come like scandal bag. When they just come and put a rubbish in a scandal bag and fling it to her. So the people in Florida stay. I go to Florida for go buy a house and I never end up get the house. I go to Florida for open my bar and I get one with a ring a rosy, Musha and darling, take off your shoes and go to your bed. So I send my money go to Jamaica, go do what me have to do. You understand? When we do that, I know say Frosted reach out to him and give him a thing. So what do you want me to do? Tell me now which work. What do you want me to do now? Me that Florida stress out because everybody have them own grub. Me I working at the biggest casino in Florida. Me go look at 2 jobs one time me have. 2 jobs me have. Me I working at the biggest casino in Florida. Me still can't see my way out. Me couldn't see my way out. One want me do stress more than all me stress. When me there Florida, the whole time, nobody now go tell us and see me how much pananak. Days and nights, weeks and days, months, me in my house and nobody not see me. Come and say, no man, Florida worse than Blood Clean, Jamaica worse than New York. I just true, I love the weather. I love the weather. I'm going to say next time I make up back my money and have it up back the right way. I go back down there, go buy my house, but I'm not going to go stay down there and live down there the whole time. Might as well, I have a nice, comfortable house. I'm an auntie. I'm going to go and pay my rent in Florida. I will go back and forth. I'm going to spend most of my time up here. So because when the weather, when the time gets so cold, my back kill me. My back kill me. I'm always sick. So when Foota Hype go try drag me down, I have nothing to do with me. I'm not business. Him could have dragged down Flex till all I care. I don't care. I don't say Foota Hype, you and Flex his friend. You should have told him because if I said the baby mother never want to tell him, you should have told him.